For the past 2 years, we've been working on this project to donate a collection of books, used textbooks from students and faculty from the university to the University of Ghana, the National University of Vietnam, and more recently a university in Egypt with 2 of our exchange students here.
When we heard about the book drive, Pressa, we were really glad that our country, Egypt, is part of the donations.
Yeah.
It's a great idea that students in Egypt will get to will receive such books which are diverse and have new concepts.
We've donated hundreds of books, and we continue to collect at the end of every semester and in between as well. We work hand in hand with Greenwell Books, which is an organization that analyzes the worth of the books and helps us provide for funding to send the books overseas, which each box costs up to $200 to send. So these are all of our books, and we've been working really hard over the past few semesters to really get this project going, and we're really happy about it.